The Ministry of Health and Wellness has advised that 23 new cases of COVID-19 have been confirmed in Jamaica, bringing the total number of known cases in Jamaica to 196.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. If this is your first time to this channel and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the button now and the notification bell, so once we upload a video you will continue to be informed. Now, the number of confirmed cases in Jamaica is 196, but Prime Minister Andrew Holness is trying his very best to contain the spread of this virus. Now, the minister spoke out about the curfews and lockdown implemented in Jamaica. Now let's take a listen to what the Prime Minister had to say.
The island-wide curfews are being respected, and the lockdown is a much more stringent form of the island-wide curfews, and it will take some time for citizens to appreciate and understand the rules and adjust their own schedule and demands around those. Today was a trying day for the security forces, but they performed well. They performed creditably. No one complained about the security forces. There were long lines, and whenever there are long lines, wherever you are, Jamaica or elsewhere, people are going to get frustrated. But generally, we didn't see any riots, we didn't see skirmishes, we didn't see fights breaking out, anything that would cause concern. So we're going to refine the measures, which is why I'm here, to get a better understanding, talk to people, talk to the security forces, and we will have adjustments which will make it much easier for the citizens to voluntarily comply and adjust their schedules and timing around the measures.
Now, the Prime Minister commended the officers who are out there on the ground keeping the people safe, and even advised them that, listen, there may come a point where it will reach to you have to stop people and ask them, listen, wear your mask, they put on your mask. But you know what? Listen for yourself.
Good night, everyone. Good night, sir. And from what I've seen, you have been doing a good job, and I want to encourage you to keep on doing a good job. There is nothing that we can do as a society without ensuring security. Security is critical. Everything else is built on security. You are therefore a very important part of nationhood. When people see you in your uniform on the streets, the first thing that they must feel is assurance that you are there to assure and protect their safety and security. And the way in which we do this is by being helpful, being facilitating to the public, but above all else, being respectful of the dignity of the person. It is not an easy job. This epidemic has given an opportunity for people to see our security forces in a new light. We are now conducting a lockdown with mass crowds and mass gatherings, with people who are frustrated trying to get their grocery items. But we have not seen a confrontation. We have not seen people making complaints about the behavior of the police. As we progress through the epidemic, more than ever, we're going to have to rely on the police to maintain the orders that are given, to reinforce and encourage people staying home, maintaining social distance. Eventually, you will have to see people on the road and say, where is your mask? By your presence, by people psychologically understand that you mean them well. When you approach them and say, put on your mask, they respect that and they will do it. And that is the power and the value of law enforcement, when there is great trust and respect for law and the authority of your uniform. So whatever you do coming out of this crisis, preserve the respect that the citizen would have of you by virtue of how you're conducting yourselves. I want to again commend you and to encourage you to be good law officers. A force for me.
Now, with that said, Mr. Wellness, let me take a minute and big up every essential worker. Whether you're a nurse, doctor, pharmacist, or police, or soldier, big up on yourself, on out there and keep the people them safe. Much love, much thanks to you. People who big up the essential worker them down there, because you don't know. Yeah, comment in the comment section and big up every essential worker. Now, this morning I post a video about Tanya Stevens, and trust me, people now like what going on with Tanya. You understand? Because Tanya come out and she speak her mind, share her opinion, and some people just not like it. You understand? Now me have a voice note from my brother where want to, talk a few things. Right? I'm gonna make you listen what I did have to say.
Bliss unstoppable. I just look on the thing where I show where I talk about is Tanya Stevens. I see it from morning still up on social media, and I said, Virgin, the thing kind of really embarrassing because just look on it, Virgin. Just as an example, I live in England so long. Right now, from the time I live in England till now, I'm there from here. You are youth at Jamaica, Virgin, little youth. What I just show you as an example, say this Prime Minister here in England where I live right now, him never moved to the thing fast enough and allow the thing to be in the situation where it be right now in England, but yet still. No one nah cuss him. You understand me? Everybody still have to just humble with it. And the matter of fact, him come on a show say, boy, only if we have social distances and stay home, we can help to fight this disease by a certain time, but people still accept it, and we go all with ends, Virgin, and we're up and down all over the place. And I mix up, you understand me? Because the young people them already don't spread the virus in England, by not listening to where them say from day one. You see me I say, because two young people nowadays just all about themselves, Virgin. You understand me? No one no care about no one older anymore, Virgin. So, but with a concern, one time I with a concern for older people, Virgin, and say blood clot must be no start. I don't want nothing for them to the older people, so I don't get involved in a crowd environment. But them people never care, Virgin. No, some of them sorry, so them didn't even do it for cause so much people life, so much people just reach up to them pension age, supposed to enjoy them pension, dead in a Virgin. It's a sad thing that happen right outside of England right now. No. But I say, at 8 still, these people now cost them government the way I say Jamaican people are cost them government, and right now Andrew Holness is actually top of the list for you, for a Virgin where I fight the disease, because it's right now, Virgin, I don't have anything to do with politics, never ever. I'm not a member of the GLP, neither the PMP. I affiliate with none of these political party. You understand me? Unstoppable. And to me, I see it wrong, Virgin. Because you see what Tanya Stevens said, though, she's like she influenced some local young giddy people to go mix up again. After the man try to control the thing, we see the big large amount of problem where I go on along a remand and place up a jungle side with people and now cooperate with the thing, you see me? So she go sit on one side, man, and more time attention some people are looking at Virgin. You understand? Because some people now a great status right now in a Virgin. Some people are some artists on there Jamaica, them away in a Virgin. Tell her this is unstoppable. Remember me tell a Virgin, I'm a professional steward. We work in a crowd environment, and we can tell you most Jamaican artists haven't been on the main stage of England as yet. No, in the UK, none of them have not been on the main stage. We are looking at 80,000-90,000 people. And we see one artist go on with 60,000 people down at the Bristol City Stadium. We see an artist when he Rod Stewart, I'm alone. And so much people in pull out one time, Virgin. So just show you say, them our Virgin. Tanya Stevens say them our Virgin. She humble them say Virgin. Them are a good government, them are a good Prime Minister in a Virgin. You understand me? Them are a good Prime Minister where I help them, Virgin. It's a reality. What I say to you, a reality in a Virgin, because just look on it, Virgin, out the whole of the government them across the world, Virgin. Them actually slow for react for cause this destruction. And we know, say, instead the young people that listen, Virgin. Yo, me have a Virgin who's a saxophonist, him come from Montego Bay, Him dead, the virus killing me, I say, Virgin. So this thing it's not a joke thing, The man catch the virus, Virgin, and from him catch the virus, that's what it. From him going out there, start, come out back, Virgin. Not even, it's a painful, Virgin. No one couldn't die in bedside, Virgin. Not even funeral, nobody now get for go, Virgin. You understand me? The people must show the people in the world come make a mass grave thing and go on right now in England, Virgin. The amount of people who are dying now. It's just unbearable, You understand me? So all the artists them at Jamaica where we are look up and with respect, you know, them feel like say them over us, and they're not over us. You understand me? And we make only be somebody, brethren. You understand me? Watch this now, Unstoppable. There is no entertainer in England where is a great celebrity like a football player, because as plenty of time we see entertainer on the street of England and nobody now run behind him for no autograph or him for sign nothing. But if them see a football player, him have to sign something. The football player is so important in England because the culture in England is all about football, brethren. You understand me? So we know so the Prime Minister do a great work, and right now I forgive the people and where I disrespect this brother here now. I don't even know him, brethren, because I left the country long time before the man even come in our politics. I don't even know him. I never see him from I was born. I never see Andrew Wallace. But the main fact that he's trying to do something, and we all have to respect it, brethren, because what about if he wasn't doing anything? You understand me? This is not about politics. Because I see where the mayor in the mayor in Portmore want vex like him upset about it, but there was no time for notice. This is the important issue that the government decides to them all lock down Portmore. We should just appreciate it and accept it, brethren, instead of trying making an issue out of it. You understand me? The man don't understand me, I go on, brethren. Let me tell you something, brethren. The people in Jamaica, at least you can come out and sit down on the yard. And I'm up on a 17th floor right now, and I look through my window, you know, brethren. You understand me now? My yard for go sit down, you know. So them still in a little better position because them can come out in them yard and sit down. I know the yard come out and sit down and be out. Me up sometimes to my frost, me can't frost no more, brethren, but me just learn to hold it. Because what about if I were in locked up? I'd have to hold it. So much love and respect, brethren, and you are doing a great work. And you know, as I say, we're supposed to use the social media, you know, for the upliftment of our people. You understand me? For our country, we're not supposed to use it the way how some people are using the social media. Because if you want to go on it and do something derogative, you know, you shame yourself, you shame your fans, you shame your country. You understand me? Because this is Tanya Stevenson though. I now look upon her again with no respect again, because who she for me come respect now. She disrespect up to my great grandmother down in the grave. Because Andrew Wallace is trying to protect the elder people life. The elder people life is respected, and it matters just as our one who young. You understand me, Virgin? So much thanks and respect for what you're doing, Virgin, and I will always follow what you're doing. Because you know, if I see someone doing something good, I will follow. But me not follow wrongdoers, to be honest. You understand me? So respect Unstoppable and keep up what you're doing. Same blessing.
Well, alright then. The general share theme piece. One thing about what the man say. Touch me down in the comment section and make me know if you no agree with him or you disagree with him. Or if you no kind of more still a lean to what Tanya did I say. You know, let me hear from Uni in the comment section. Alright, watch out, man. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm Unstoppable, and I'm out.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.